Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be making a classic New Zealand treat of lolly cake. So let's jump right into it.
Grab your pack of malt biscuits and put them in the food processor and turn them into a powder chunk mix. You can do this with a rolling pin or mortar and pestle to get the same results. Having done this, empty it into a bowl and put to one side for later. In a hot pot, melt your butter and sweeten condensed milk, stirring constantly, and once melted, put it to one side for a few moments to cool slightly. Get your chopped Fruit Puff Lollies or Explorer Lollies and add them to the bowl, quickly followed by your molten butter condensed milk mixture. Combine them together thoroughly until it's a multicoloured lump. Now the fun part of emptying the bowl onto a baking sheet and shaping it into a log. Having made a weird looking log, grab some shredded or desiccated coconut and coat the log with it. Then wrap it up and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Having spent time in the fridge, turn it out onto the chopping board. Then cut it into equal parts and serve or store in a sealed container in the fridge. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this delicious lolly cake with me. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and until next time, enjoy the kitchen.